Hello guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to unbox my brand new iPad Pro. This is the 2020 iPad Pro. The reason why I got it was because if you look at the camera, it's broken. The camera is useful for video calls, video meetings, stuff like that. So, you know what? In order to get the camera fixed, it would cost half the price of this. This is the same storage, but 256 gigabytes is plenty. So we're just going to go ahead and take a look at this. Okay. Little bit of heft to it, little bit, but now, unfortunately, it doesn't come in gold. It just comes in black or silver. So I decided the silver one was best for me. So I do watch films on this. Bezels are actually slimmer than I first thought, and I have seen these in person before. But it was in a store. So these are pretty thin, and I'm going to just leave it over there in a corner for now because I do actually have a case for it. There, Apple stickers. I do believe that this iPad hopefully comes with Apple TV for a year because there's a few things I'd like to check out on Apple TV. So now the reason why I'm showing you this is because this new iPad has USB-C. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Unfortunately, it is shorter than the one I currently have, but it is what it is. I do have this case for it for as soon as I open this. On the back, it does have a custom engraving. The cameras look pretty nice. It actually is quite thin. Does look really nice. So I'm gonna power it up. So it's the Apple logo. The only reason why the bezels are there is so you can hold it, obviously. But they are fairly thin. I actually missed this yesterday because I was away for my theory. I'm gonna put this in the case. Okay, so the case is decent. That's actually pretty much it because I will be setting this up myself. But if you want to compare it to this iPad, so as you can see, smaller bezels, bigger screen, but a foot pin. It is very similar. So if you're watching a film or something, you're obviously not going to get that full extra screen. It just makes up for the way it is. But anyway guys, that is pretty much it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace guys. Have a good one.
Yeah!